want to get much wet. Good morning, Lawn Care and Landscaping Companies up there. This is Jose, One Way Lawn Service. It's another day, and we guess what? A rainy day. So we're gonna see what we can do. I hope everything comes okay. At the end of the day, I don't want to get much wet, but I'm ready to rock. Enjoy your day. So everything is wet, guys. Take a look. Pretty wet. Imagine a zero turn riding on that thing right there right now. It's gonna be terrible. Disaster. Good morning, guys. So I arrived to my first property for today. It's completely wet. I hear some blowers. So I'm gonna do the sections. I had to trim some of those palms. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm probably not gonna mow, but I go into weeding all the grass and make it possible. So far, that's all I'm gonna be able to do, and I'm gonna cut these three right here, and that little baby that I forgot right there. I'm gonna try to feed everything in the trash can, and probably trimming a little bit the grass with the weed eater, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is the time when you're going to be able to see that lady getting off the car. She's been there for about 10-15 minutes here. So I was blowing that area right there. I was about to blow that area when they arrived, and they parked exactly on top of my leaves. Can you believe that? Come on, common sense, you know? Hey, come on, this guy is blowing right there. There's plenty of parking spots open a little bit far over there. So there's like 10 parking spots. So they arrive and they park just on top of my legs. Look. So then she get into her car, and guess what? She opened a book and she started writing something on her book, and she left her door open. Common sense. When someone is working, you don't want to be on their way, you know? But let's continue, guys. Okay guys, so the rain just came. I was finishing the middle section, and I just done this one. So I'm gonna go inside the car and I'm gonna wait for a little bit, see if the water stopped, so I can weed it and blow. I made it. I caught it. Yes, I caught it, but I was not able to finish. So coming back another day, maybe tomorrow. We have more rain for the rest of the week, 50, 60, 70. I had some more lands beside my regular schedule. I had some more lands on Thursday, Friday. I had to fix a fence. I don't know. I think this is nothing comparing to other people in other areas, you know, expecting a lot of rain with the storm and stuff like that. So this is a blessing. So I'm gonna keep waiting and see what happened. I just finished my lunch. I went to Panda. I really love the shrimp. I asked for double shrimp. I don't eat much seafood, but I really love the shrimp on this place. Like, I don't eat shrimp a lot, but this is really good. Okay guys, we see you in the next clip. Okay, it's looking clear again. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my weeding section. So I just barely start, maybe like 2 minutes, and it's raining again. So I need to go back to my cave. Can you believe that? I just barely do this area right here. Let it go high. Wow. It just barely let me make one line. Do I am going to be able to finish this? I don't know. It's okay, we're gonna keep waiting. Okay, I am out of the cake again. Now it's sunny. It's completely sunny. I start feeling the heat. And we're gonna see how long I can last without a rain. For the fourth time, rain is coming again. But I'm glad I'm finished. I just need to blow, and that's it. I gotta run again. Gotta run. What is really happening? Heavy rain. The good thing is, I'm not sure if you have to blow. Since it's raining, I may have to leave everything like that. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I think I made 7 tries to finish this property. The water let me work like every 10-20 minutes, only 2 minutes, 3 minutes, that's it. Okay, now it looks like the water's gonna stop and it's sunny. Here I come. Let's see what we can do. So I got the rain again, and I'm stuck over here. I had to clean all that kind of stuff right there, and I guess I had to shut down my weed eater right here and hide in this little place because the rain doesn't want to stop. Hey guys, I think we're gonna finish this video right here. I don't want to be recording every 2 minutes and getting my phone out of my pocket. I don't want to damage my phone. See, the water's coming a little hotter right now, so I guess I'm just gonna run through my truck and I just gonna take off. I'm not gonna worry about that trash right there because it's getting worse and I'm getting wet. See you guys. Thank you. Enjoy life.